On this video, I will tell you how to share your Google Docs only for a specific person, different from the other video. Click share as always, and then you will see that there is a box here. You can add people they need to have an email. They need to sign on a Gmail. Okay, they need to have an email. For this, I'm going to use my own email, Albert Tristano. I already sent an email to this email, but I'm just going to do it again. Make sure to click notify people. If you don't click this, then they will be not getting an email, like a confirmation email that they can access the document if you don't click this, but it's automatically already been clicked. So you can use whatever message you want. Okay, just click send. Make sure to check editors so they can do some changes on the document too, and send.